try the Mr. Beast bar. This costs $3 and it's peanut butter. Let's try it out. Ooh, this kind of good package. Oh, it kind of broke, but this is how it looks like. See how it tastes. Mmm, it's creamy. Peanut butter is good. I'm gonna give it a 9 out of 10. See you in the next video. Good chocolate bar.